guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started out watching the incredible Kelly from Feral Art. An amazing artist, just love her to pieces, super sweet, funny. So excited to have you on with us, Kelly. And after her, you had Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat. Alright, so today I am going to do a swipe on this star. It's a MDF wooden star. I've left kind of a floaty pillow on there. I'm going to put some colors down here, and I think I'm just going to play some music and let you guys watch. guys, I'm going to leave it alone. For once in my life, I'm going to leave it alone. Alright, I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. You know I appreciate all of you. I think it turned out really pretty. Tell me what you think in the comments. I love you guys. Up next is Shannon Baxman from ShanB Fluid Art. Don't go anywhere. We still got a lot left for you. So, love you guys. Have a great day or great night wherever you are. And I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.